researcher using the Dreem 3 headband for academic or pharmaceutical studies, you will receive a package like this. Let's have a look inside. Dreem 3 is a system that acquires brain activity through dry EEG sensors, as well as breathing and sleep movements through a 3D accelerometer. On the headband, you can find the power button that has a surrounding LED light that displays different colors. When the headband LED light is green, it has enough charge for at least 12 hours of recording. When the LED light is red, it does not have enough charge for a full night of sleep. You also will find the frontal and occipital sensors on the headband. The occipital sensors are not to be confused with hair combs. Additionally, you have the bone conduction speaker, which is located here, the serial number, which can be found here. Inside the box, you'll also find size adjusters with varying sizes starting with extra small, small, medium, and large. Lastly, inside the box, you'll find a magnetic charging cable. And these are all the contents that come with the Dreem headband when you receive it.